Guys, guess what? I made slime.
See, you didn't have commercial.
I'm gonna put more shaving cream.
Every anime.
But
Sub.
I made slime. It's hard to put it.
You can watch Short Online Day.
So I made one. I did it with
Short Online 2 in dub. In English. Want to watch Short Online 2? I don't care.
glue stick. There it is. Elma's glue stick purple. It looks blue, but it's purple. And you need hide. I don't think you could see because of this. Oh yeah, it's over there. Yes, so you need Tide, any kind of Tide. I'm just using that one. Ma, give the stuff, Londo. Okay.
I'm watching Short Online 2. I don't know what. Dang it, why episode 3?
Hey.
Sorry about that.
Those kids are rolled.
You need the glue stick, Tide, and shaving cream. 3 ingredients. That's it. And then you just mix it with this. If you have pencils, you could use a pencil. So I can't do it because only when my mom's gone. She's taking a shower. I can't do it. Else she'll get mad at me. So yeah.
Hey, look at these skills. Look at these basketball skills. Look.
So yeah.
These basketball skills.
Bye.
Just look at them.